What's up, YouTube? This is Jesus with another appliance repair video. This episode we're going to be working on this top load GE washer. There's a model number GTW330ASK4WW. This one it's not engaging into drain cycle. So for instance, we're going to go ahead and just do the drain and spin. This one's not locking, so we're going to go ahead and press play. It's supposed to be locking at this time, but it is not, and it's a staying blank. And when you pause it, I don't know if you can see that, but it's blinking as paused. So it's kind of common. People think it's a pump or sometimes a board issue, but this is just the lid lock. I have the part right here, super easy to put on. We're going to go through it step by step and show you how it's done. Be sure to unplug your washer. Tools you're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver, a drill or a screwdriver that can attach to it. You're going to head to the back, and with the 1/4-inch nut driver, you're going to remove the screws. There's 2 of them, one here and one right there. Once those 2 screws are removed, keep them separate. You'll notice there's 2 different kinds on this one. The other ones that you're going to be taking out pretty soon, they're going to be almost similar, a little bit darker complected. So what you're going to do is kind of wiggle this off gently. Set it to the side like that. Next, you're going to see these 2 screws right here, one here and one there. You're going to be removing those 2. Also with a 1/4-inch nut. Alright, once those are out, you can kind of pick up the back end and slide it forward so the whole the top part can come off. With the connection still attached, obviously, but just be very gentle. Once you slide this forward, it should come off like so. What I'd recommend, if this panel is loose, kind of like wedge it inside so it doesn't fall off. Because we're going to lift this up and get to this lid locking mechanism. So I tilted it on the side just like this. Be very careful. All the other connections right there. But this is your lid lock. And what you'll do is unplug this. Can't really do this with 2 hands, but here. You're going to kind of open these 2 tabs out. There's that one. And this other one, just be very careful because that plastic's real frail and it'll come right out. Next, with the screwdriver or something flat, push this in and it should be able to fall out. Chuck that so you don't get it confused. Alright. We'll get the new one on. Alright, so you got the other lid lock. Go ahead and with these tabs right there, you're going to kind of slide it in before. And then slide it back that way once it's completely in, and it'll lock into place. Don't forget, plug it in. If these do fall off, just be sure to look underneath the machine, or it could have bounced out from underneath. Just make sure both tabs are in like that. So this one. Alright, I'm gonna get this top panel back on. Line it up so those clips can pop into those holes. Just like so. Alright, make sure it makes a little snap like that. Take the back cover off again, so. And what we're going to do next is put these darker, grayer screws in where they were at before. Alright, once those are both in, go ahead and bring back the control panel. Snap it in, both sides. Put your remaining screws in. And it's back together. And we'll check it out, make sure it's draining. So once everything is put back on order, grab your lock cover. Oops, wrong way. So make sure that little pointed part goes down in that hole. Sorry. Should snap, easy peasy. Alright, we're going to kind of go through this whole thing over after we got the new lid locking mechanism in, and we got the little lid lock cover back into where it needs to be. We have a little bit of water in here to test it out. So go ahead and plug it back in, and you can do any cycle. I'm just going to do drain and spin to show you that the lid lock is engaging and it's actually spinning. So we got it on drain and spin. I'm going to go ahead and press play. It's going to do a couple things, little lid locked. You heard that? Wasn't doing it earlier. And it's pumping. Alright, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, give a thumbs up. Kind of gives me encouragement to do some more videos. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Till next time, have a good day.